In today's video, we're taking a look at how to pickle jalapenos easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you felt today like you needed some fire in your life. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna help you out. This is a quick and easy recipe that you can eat right away, or you can leave it on the refrigerator for 1 or 2 days and it even gets better. The first thing that we're gonna need is jalapenos, and the amount depends on the size. If you have real big jalapenos, then 10 to 15 should be enough. If you have smaller ones, then you want to go 15 to 25. So the size of your jalapeno doesn't matter. The important thing is that it gets the job done. Now that we have our main star, we're gonna go ahead and remove the tips from both sides. A pro tip, using gloves is a good idea. Not touching your eyes is a good idea. Not touching any parts that you don't want them to burn is a good idea. Here at the StatUpBox team, we like good ideas. Now that we killed the jalapeno, we can go ahead and slice it in slices. The thinner, the better. But at the end of the day, is your pickling. The size that you choose, we know it will be best. We're gonna need 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. If they're small, you want 3. If they're big, you only want 2. If you want the garlic to penetrate even more, then you want to smash them. And hopefully, they don't want to run away like ours did. Now that we finished murdering food, we can go ahead to the stove. You're gonna need a pot or pan, and you want to set your stove to high. And remember, this recipe is for 10 to 25 jalapenos depending the size. If you want to do more or less, you just divide or multiply the quantities. Meaning, for this quantity, for every 10 to 25 jalapenos, you want to add 1 cup of vinegar or 230 grams, and we're using white vinegar. And for the same amount of vinegar, we want to use the same amount of water. So we're going to add 1 cup of water or 230 grams, preferably filtered water. We want to add 3 tablespoons of sugar or about 38 grams. 1 tablespoon of kosher salt or about 13 grams. And you can use any salt. Remember, at the end of the day, you are the king, queen, none, both of your cast. Don't let anyone on the household tell you otherwise. We have your back 6 feet away, but we still have it. Now, you want to add the garlic. We want to mix it in well until we see everything dissolved, except the garlic. That might take years. And our main goal is to bring this liquid to a boil. Once we have a boil, we can go ahead and add the jalapenos. We stir for a bit. Now that everybody has met and had a good time, we go ahead and proceed to remove the pot from the stove. And we're gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. In this time, you're gonna notice the change of color in the jalapenos, and they're gonna take more of a pickling look. Also, in this time is where you want to clean your jar. It's best to use a mason jar, but if you have a jar that's airtight, you can use it as well, or any other container. Remember, you are boss and employee. You want to have your container clean, preferably with hot water to remove any bacteria that might be present. And that's also gonna help the container come to the temperature of the juice so the glass won't crack. Let's go ahead and add the jalapenos without the liquid in the container. After we put all the jalapenos in the container, now we can go ahead and add liquid until we get almost to the top. We always want to leave some space for contraction and expansion. And no, we don't mean your gym muscle gains, but maybe gases. But if you want to go all the way up, you are the boss. Now we can close the container, and what we're gonna do is leave it until it cools down. Once it's cool, comes the hardest part. and is waiting 24 hours or 48 hours to actually use it. But if you need it now, you can go ahead and use it right away. It's gonna have a great taste. But like you and wine, we all know you get better by the day. Now you can pat yourself in the back for a job well done. You are the samurai ninja of the jalapeno slicing universe. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.